When a plane lands, the tires burn rubber that melts into the pavement. This can make the runway slick when wet. Special cleaning machines ensure that the runway is always clean and clear for takeoff and landing. They blast off the rubber streaks, then suction the rubber bits into tanks. A runway cleaning machine is a serious power washer. It pressurizes hot water to at least 20 times the force of the average power washer. The spray heads are designed specifically for blasting away aircraft tire rubber that's melted into airstrip pavement. They ensure airports are a safe place to land. Making one starts with the hydraulic motors that spin the sprayers. A technician inserts a shaft that will hold the spray bar into a motor unit. He installs sealing cylinders to prevent hydraulic oils from leaking. He tops the assembly with a metal plate. The plate serves as a base for thrust bearings, which he installs next. Sealing caps complete the thrust bearing assembly. A computerized test system now measures the motor's torque and the flow of hydraulic fluids. This system also simulates the force of the highly pressurized water to confirm that the thrust bearings will keep the motor stable. A powerful water jet tool carves through steel to produce the components for the arm that holds the runway cleaner spray heads. A worker then fits the steel plates together. He welds the seams to create permanent bonds. This completes the spray arm structure. After the arm has been sandblasted and painted, they hoist it to the front of the runway cleaning truck. They attach it with large zinc-coated steel bolts. A worker then mounts hydraulic motors to a long-wheeled bracket. He removed the sealing caps before this installation to make it easier. Once the motors have been secured to the bracket, he replaces the caps. He attaches the wheeled bracket to the spray arm and installs metal shrouds for the sprayers. They have fringes of nylon bristles to contain the spray. He fastens rotating sealers to the hole in the center of each shroud to keep out dirt and water. He screws the spray bars to the shafts that extend from the motors. The nozzles are made of sapphire, a tough mineral that can withstand the force of the pressurized spray. The next worker runs vacuum hoses to the shrouds and connects them using cam and groove couplings. The sprayer assemblies are now complete. The team lowers a large gearbox between the frame rails of the truck. They bolt it to the rails. This gearbox will transfer power from the truck engine to a high-pressure pump and the vacuum. The pump and vacuum systems have been assembled into one big module. A technician tests the belt and pulley that will connect to the gearbox. It's in good working order, so they cover the system with steel casing for safety reasons. This module is ready to be assembled to the runway cleaner truck. It weighs 2.5 tons, so a crane does the heavy lifting. Workers then build a tank that's as tall as they are. This tank will contain the rubber bits vacuumed off the runway, along with the water used in the cleaning process. Once it's been painted, they assemble it to the chassis next to the clean water tanks. Inside the truck cab, a worker installs controls for the runway cleaner's operation. One console has a joystick for manipulating the position of the spray heads. Other switches are for the operation of the pump and vacuum. Runway cleaners can also be used to erase painted lines when landing strips need to be reconfigured. Just adjust the nozzle size and forward speed, And like the rubber streaks, the lines disappear.